Hi guys, welcome back to Taste with Twist. Today we are making coffee shop style cappuccino at home. For that I have taken 3 tablespoons of sugar, granulated sugar, 2 tablespoons of instant coffee and 2.5 tablespoons of hot water. There are many variations to make this coffee or cappuccino. Usually they take 2:2 ratio of coffee and sugar, but that makes a very strong coffee. This is a milder version of it. I am taking a bowl and I am simply dunking all the ingredients into the bowl. Now we have to beat all these ingredients until it forms a whipped coffee. You can use hand whisk or even fork to whip this up. Today I am using hand mixer to whip the coffee. Using a hand mixer on a high speed took me 4 to 5 minutes to get whipped coffee. If you are using whisk, it might take as long as 12 to 15 minutes, and if you are using a fork, it might take a little longer than that too. After 4 minutes, the coffee has whipped and reached stiff peaks. Now keep this aside. I have taken a glass of milk and added 1.5 spoons of sugar. Onto a different glass, I am adding the whipped coffee and I am pouring milk into it. Gently mix the whipped coffee and milk. Now add some more whipped coffee on top of the milk. You can make 2 such glasses of cappuccino with the quantity of whipped coffee that we have made. I am gently swirling the whipped coffee on top of the milk to give it a good look. Finally, I am sprinkling some chocolate chips on top of the cappuccino to finish off. Hope you liked this method of making cappuccino at home. It is a very strong coffee. If you are a coffee lover, do try it and let me know how it goes. Thanks for watching, and until next time, bye.